giant hamburger! Okay, that looks delicious. Or do I want that fried thing? Excuse me, what do you think? Fried food or hamburger?
Hey! Slow down! You shouldn't go running off on your own like that.
Sorry, it's just my first time out of that facility since I can remember.
Speaking of remembering, has anything popped back yet? Anything look familiar?
It's so crazy that he can't remember his past or even his name.
That's exactly why we need to name him.
He's not a stray animal. We can't just name him whatever we want.
Well, we gotta call him something other than Hey You.
I kind of like Hey You or Shark Boy.
Don't worry, we're gonna figure out his name soon enough.
Eat meat.
Oh, look, ice cream! I love ice cream!
That he remembers?
Uh-huh.
Let's say food is linked to memory. Eat up!
Wow!
Maybe if you eat something familiar, then your memory will come back.
Will that really work? It's worth trying. Let's see what happens.
What's the matter, TC?
My tummy hurts. I need the bathroom.
Okay, let's see if a hot dog does the trick.
Did you remember anything? Needs more mustard.
Come on! Okay, one more time. You remember something?
Yeah, how good pickles are.
My poor wallet's empty.
Okay, we gave it a shot and tried to spark his memory. It's time to name him.
All right, fine, but let's make it cool.
How about Whiskers or Fluffs?
He's not a hamster.
This is gonna take forever, isn't it?
Wait! I got it! I really love pickles, right? Why don't I just name myself Pickle?
Nah, I had a hamster named Pickle, but how about Crunch? Like the sound of pickles.
Yes, Thunder Crunch! I love it!
I'm gonna call you TC.
Ooh, there's so much cool stuff in here! And what's this? Ooh, delicate electronics.
Hey, no touching without washing your hands first.
Huh? Isn't that...
I scanned Hammerhead and his Baku Ball. This is the data on titanium evolution.
TC? What else do you know about this power?
Not much. Hammerhead and I were just test subjects. They didn't tell us anything.
I see.
Maybe you should try hacking into the lab.
Way ahead of you. But there's nothing on their servers about titanium evolution.
Well, I'm all out of suggestions here.
Not me. I cracked the code to gold evolution, and I'm going to figure out this one too. We'll be brawling in titanium armor in no time.
What was Dad doing there?
Mia?
Huh?
TC, no!
Is something wrong?
Careful! Soda! Too much sugar makes him hyper! His head
Your dad what?
Shh!
Why don't you just ask him about it?
I can't do that. My mom and dad don't even know that I'm a Bakugan brawler.
Well, in that case,
What are you doing?
I'm just gonna take a quick peek at your dad's emails.
What? Wait, hang on a second. That's my house.
Don't you want to know what your dad's up to? This is some serious security, which means he's hiding something. And I'll find out what it is. Bingo!
Stop!
Too late! I found a top secret file.
Top secret?
The shocking truth must be in here. Baby Mia! Look at those cheeks! Love their binky.
Great. What you looking at? Hey! I want to help out too!
Not breaking things is helping.
How about we have a Baku brawl?
Sorry, in the middle of crunching data.
Yeah, can we brawl later?
Why don't you find something else to keep you busy?
Aww. Fine. Come on, Hammerhead! It's so boring in there. Let's go see if we can find some fun. Hey, look at me! Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa!
Eat meat.
Come on ahead, Hammerhead. The water's fine.
All right. Look at all these people, relaxing and having fun, completely unaware that there's danger all around. Well, they don't know the world like I do. Don't worry, we'll keep them safe from Baku brawls.
Isn't there anyone around who wants to Baku brawl?
Huh? Did you just say Baku brawl? Hey, you!
Yeah?
You just said Baku brawl, didn't you?
Yeah, why? You want to brawl?
Did you seriously just challenge the Great Chip to a Baku brawl right now?
So
Huh?
that's a yes. Awesome. I'm Thunder Crunch, by the way, but most people call me TC.
Well, TC, that's enough. You are in big trouble. Droney 1 and 2, attack!
Let's go, Hammerhead! Misfit Glad! Bakugan Brawl!
Baku brawling in the middle of the city? You're gonna pay.
Come on, you roll out too.
That's enough, Pipsqueak. I'm placing you under arrest.
No thanks.
Come here.
I think this guy might not be a hoop brawler,
Get back here.
but he's a lot of fun.
Pass. Stop right there. Whoa!
Hammerhead, counterattack! Raging Blaster!
Stop! What do you think you're doing?
You attacked us first! Storm Circle! Ha-ha! Can't catch me!
Nailed it!
A strength spam!
Get back here right now!
Oh no. Look at this.
Is that a live stream?
Yes, it is. And that's TC. Where's TC? Huh? Why is Chip chasing him?
Get back here, you little puke!
Ooh! That was close!
I've got you now! You've got nowhere to run! Your Bakugan is finished, and so are you. You're going to jail.
Heat Wave! TC, you okay?
Dan!
Oh, so you want to go to jail too? Fine by me. Droney 1, Droney 2. Turn it up a notch.
Drag on!
Oh no, this is all my fault! I made this mess, let me fix it! Hammerhead! Wave slam!
Ah, that water. My sweet, sweet Dronies can't swim.
All right!
TC, we gotta get you out of here.
Hey, I'll remember this. This is just the beginning. I'll get my payback.
Wait, so that Chip guy is a police officer?
Kind of. He's in charge of stopping Bakugan brawls.
I didn't even know brawling wasn't allowed.
Yeah, someone probably should have mentioned that.
I guess there's a lot out there that you don't know.
But don't worry, We are here to help.
Wait, you're still gonna help us out and let us stay in your mod? Even though we messed up?
Yeah, of course. You're a part of the team now, and besides, we all mess up. Except for me, I'm pretty much perfect all the time. Look, the Misfits are more than a clan. We're a family. Got it?
Yeah.
It's true! You two almost seem like brothers.
Brothers?
That's right, TC. Think of me as big bro. Whatever you need to know, I have the right answer.
Anything?
Oh, sure. How to get out of doing homework, or get out of doing chores, or get out of taking a shower. Boy, you're lucky I'm here.
These misfits think they can brawl in my city and waterlog my precious dronies and make me look like a buffoon? Well, it's time for their just desserts, and it will not be tasty.
Ha! Can't handle my power, can ya?
Who needs power when I got speed burst?
Today's the day we catch them red-handed. All right, let's bust these outlaw brawlers. You're under arrest for the crime of brawling?
You mean basketballing?
Whoa! Hang on. Is basketball illegal now?
What? No, but you brawl, and it's against the law, and I saw.
I don't know what you're rambling about, but your rhyming is on point.
Look, we would never brawl. That is illegal and dangerous.
Oh, I see how it is. Sure, have your fun now, kiddos. But I'm on to you. And one of these days, I'm gonna have the evidence I need to bring you all in.
Well, unfortunately for you, that day is not gonna be today, is it, Chipper?
This Officer Chipper! Chip, an officer! And I will get you someday. Oh, I will. I'm good at my job. My dad said so.
Wow, that Chip is such a dope.
By the way, Griffin, how'd you even know that he was coming?
Well, I actually managed to get a tracker on his drone. So now we'll always know where he is, unless he finds the tracker.
Well, now that those snoops are gone, let's finish up our Baku brawl.
Dan,
Huh?
I think we should lay low for a while. Chip needs a reason to take us down. Let's not give him one.
What?
But I finally unlocked the titanium evolution. It's ready to go.
Come on, Ventry, we gotta try it out once.
We will, when the time is right.
Aww. I wish there were somewhere we could spread our wings and Baku brawl all we like.
Mia!
Oh.
Look!
Huh?
Hey there, Mia. I thought that was you, looking all sad. You haven't changed a bit.
Raven.
Who?
Oh, just someone from my advanced classes at school who always thought that they were better than me and were super annoying.
I am better. That's why I came to give you advice. You misfits should move your mod off the radar. You're begging Chip to bust you.
Maud, how do you know about that?
Because I lead the Avian clan. Try to keep up.
The Avian clan? Huh?
That's right. And this is my Phoenix Bakugan, Flame.
It's been a long time, Ventry.
Flame?
You two know each other?
I guess you could say we were rivals as well.
It wasn't much of a rivalry. I was always better. It's no wonder you joined the Misfits.
You be quiet.
Enough talk. Let's brawl right now, right here.
Sure, but not here. If you can find our hidden mod, then we can get in a dogfight. Unlike a certain somebody, I used my brain and didn't build our mod out in the open where everyone can see. But since you're so hopeless, I'll kindly give you a hint. Look for our Avian Clan logo. It's the really cool one, unlike yours. Bye-bye!
Super annoying, right?
Yes.
Okay, this forest seems like it could be the place.
It is sort of a place us bird-type Bakugan like. Mia? Look!
Huh? The Avian Clan logo! This must be it! Huh? Raven, I'm here! Now where are you? Stop hiding and show yourself! Mia! They set us up!
You really think we'd land our mod here? Too obvious.
Looking for a mod, where could it be? Whoa! What do you think you're doing?
What am I doing? You're just flapping around aimlessly. If you want to find our mod, you gotta use your brain. Good luck with that.
They fell for it. Smart to put one of Griffin's chip trackers on flame. Now we can follow them right to their mod. This does not look like the type of place for avian-type Bakugan.
Oh, we've lost the tracker's signal.
That's not good.
Well, they're somewhere around here. Maybe we need a bird's eye view.
Good point. Maybe a different perspective will lead us to the answer we're looking for.
That's it. Look, it's the Avian Clan logo.
No way it's better than the Misfit Clan logo.
Not even close. Huh?
This is the spot the signal disappeared. Let's go down there, Venturi. Raven, I found it! Now come out and face me!
Took you long enough.
Huh?
Did you run into turbulence?
I'm tired of your silly games! Let's Baku Brawl now!
Love it. I can defeat you in front of the rest of the Avian Clan.
Misfit Clan! Bakugan Brawl! Come on, Venturi! It's time to armor up and go! Bakugan Brawl! Flame! Gold Evolution! Venturi! Titanium Evolution! This is how we beat you!
Huh? Titanium?
Whoa, those are bling wings.
Huh. But can you keep up with Flame's speed?
Venturi!
I've got this.
Fast! Stay on him! Piercing feathers!
This is how the Avian Clan takes off!
Titanium Evolution is for defense, but Flame keeps running away! We need to find a way to attack him head on!
But this armor is so heavy. I can't build up enough speed.
Huh?
Look at you trying to navigate your new powers. It's funny you think you can beat me. Flame! Chain Blade!
Venturi! Huh? There's a BAM! A health BAM! She needs this!
Too slow.
Didn't even need it.
Flame! Go! Venturi!
These aerobatics are over, except that you've lost.
I haven't rolled up yet.
Huh? Venturi!
The brawl's not over. We can still win, but we have to do it together.
You are right. We're still in this. Huh? Huh? Another BAM!
I don't think so. When will you admit that I'm better than you?
Venturi! You may be better than me, but you'll never be better than us.
have lost the battle, but brawling Mia gave us the chance to collect data on titanium evolution.
Now we can harness that ability. I hope you don't plan on keeping that all to yourselves.
We granted you the immense power of the gold evolution. Now, it's your turn to return the favor.